Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a new product listing from scratch, and it's when you want to just list a new product without uh, going into the Me Too listing or any other thing like that. So it's pretty easy. You just want to first of all log into your Amazon Seller Central account, and then you just want to click on these three horizontal lines and go on to inventory and then manage inventory. Here you will see add a product, so you can click on that. Now there are multiple ways you can reach this same place, but I find this is the easiest one. So there are other ways that you can also come to this place to add the product. So what you want to do is, instead of entering anything over here, you just click on I'm adding a product not sold on Amazon. Then this screen comes up. So what I recommend is to just search for the item which you want to list as from the scratch. So let's say you have Bluetooth FM transmitter. So and then search on that. So you can then now select any one of these. So let's go on with this one, and then this screen appears. Now here you will add all these details, especially the ones in marked in red. They are necessary. You cannot save and publish the listing without entering the details in the red boxes especially. So product ID is like a UPC, EAN, GC ID. Those are some of the IDs which you can enter, and you can select that category from here. So ASIN, GCID, EAN, GTIN, UPC. You can get the UPC code from another source, which I might be doing another video, but not right now. So usually you can you can just get the UPC from that source or another website online. You can buy the UPC codes, and then you can just click on UPC and add the product ID or UPC code over here. Then item title, brand name. If it's unbranded, then just click on this product does not have a brand name. And then number of items, how many items of that product you have, country of region, country region of origin, and then all these details. Contains liquid contents, warranty description, connector types, connector gender, number of boxes for, so like how many number of boxes in each box, how many number of items in that box is. So that is the number of boxes it's asking. So yeah, and then manufacturer is, you can just type in whatever brand you, or whatever manufacturer name you have. Let's see, TWC or any other brand, sorry, manufacturer. And then you can go on, enter the variations with the color or name or different details like that. In offer, you can go on and mention the price over here, quantity, condition. So you can select new or whatever the condition you have, and then you can just select if you want to ship it yourself, or Amazon will ship and provide customer service. Images, you can add a couple of images over here. So the main one is always required with a white background, the main image. So put that in on the main one, and then for the rest of the images, they can be of different backgrounds and different colors and whatever you can put in. And then description is very important. So this is actually the HTML code as well. which you can like go on to another source, and then you can type in the description, and whatever the HTML code is, you can paste it over here, and that same description will be displayed whenever any person opens that product listing. And product attributes bullet points, here you can write the bullet points which you usually see in Amazon, in the Amazon online. When you search for a product, you see there are like some bullet points over there, so you can put them over here. You can actually add them till 5, so 1 2 3 4 5, actually more. So you can actually do it how many you want. So it's not giving me any. Okay, so not how many you want, but I thought it was 5, but it's actually 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So you can do the 10 bullet points over here, which are really attractive and easy for the customer to understand. And then CPSIA warning. So once you're done with everything, you can just save, click save and finish. So it will take around maybe 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, but I have seen it publish in maybe 3 to 5 minutes. But yeah, like 10 to 15, I think 15 minutes is the most it can take, and after that your new product listing will be published, and all the customers will be able to see that. So that's about it. If you have any questions or comments or feedback, please let me know. Until next time, take care everybody. Bye bye.